Why is crypto up today? October 23, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. Bitcoin trades below key cost basis levels, signaling demand exhaustion and fading momentum, Glassnode says. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 51 minutes ago. The crypto market is up today with the cryptocurrency market capitalization increasing by 1.3%, now standing at $3.8 trillion. 80 of the top 100 coins have appreciated over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $190 billion. TLDR. The crypto market capitalization is up by 1.3% on Thursday morning, UTC. 80 of the top 100 coins and all top 10 coins appreciated today. BTC is up by 1.7% to $109,789. And ETH rose 0.3% to $3,875. Investors await the US CPI index on Friday, which may suggest market direction. There are signals of demand exhaustion and fading momentum. Both on-chain and options data suggest a cautious, transitional phase. US BTC and ETH spot ETFs both saw outflows on Wednesday of $101.29 million and $18.77 million, respectively. 87-year-old traditional asset manager T. Rowe Price filed its first crypto ETF. Crypto market sentiment sits firmly within the fear zone. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have seen their prices increase over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, increased by 1.7% since this time yesterday, currently trading at $109,789. Bitcoin, BTC, $109, 633.36-1.24% 24H730D1Y all-time. Ethereum, ETH, is up by 0.3%, meaning that it's largely unchanged over the past day, now changing hands at $3,875. The highest rise in the category is 3.2% by Binance Coin, BNB, now trading at $1,103. It's followed by BTC, and then Solana SOL, S1.3% to $186. The smallest adjustment is seen by Tron, TRX. It is currently unchanged, now standing at $0.3225. Looking at the top 100 coins, 80 are up. Among these, 3 recorded double-digit rises. Chainopera AI, SOAI, appreciated the most by far, 70.4% to $13.96. It's followed by Hyperliquid Hype, which increased by 11.8% to $38.81, and Kinetic Staked HYPE, KHYPE, which rose by 11.6% to $38.97. On the other hand, Zcash, ZEC, decreased the most, 9.8% to $243.46. It's followed by Provenance Blockchain, Hash, S6% drop to $0.03614. Renewed volatility has re-entered the digital asset space as the market awaits direction signals, especially as the recent $19 billion wipeout in leveraged positions turned investors more cautious. Notably, many traders and investors are now waiting to see the U.S. Consumer Price Index report, which is set to come out on Friday, after initially being set for October 15th. They're hoping to see any signals that would suggest near-term market direction. The last 3 CPI releases coincided with local tops, each following a surge in bullish sentiment. Moreover, investors were waiting for South Korea's October interest rate decision. On Thursday, the Monetary Policy Board of the Bank of Korea, BOK, kept its benchmark interest rate unchanged, fading momentum and growing market fatigue. According to Glassnode's latest report, BTC trades below the short-term holder's cost basis and the 0.85 quantile, which suggests fading momentum and growing market fatigue. Repeated failures to reclaim the key levels raise the risk of a longer consolidation phase. Therefore, the market may need a longer consolidation phase to rebuild confidence and absorb the spent supply. BTC has gradually moved away from its recent all-time high, stabilizing below the short-term holder's cost basis of around $113,100. Historically, this structure often precedes the onset of a mid-term bearish phase, as weaker hands begin to capitulate, the analyst said. Furthermore, the report noted that implied volatility remains elevated, and realized volatility has caught up, ending the calm, low-volatility regime. Both on-chain and options data suggest a cautious transitional phase. Market recovery is likely to hinge on renewed spot demand and easing volatility. Also, the options market shows a cautious tone as well. Despite record-high open interest, positioning leans defensive. Put skew remains elevated, volatility sellers are under pressure, and short-term rallies are met with hedging rather than optimism, says Glassnode. The report concludes that, together, these signals indicate a market in transition. One where exuberance has waned, structural risk-taking is subdued, and recovery will likely depend on restoring spot demand and mitigating volatility-driven flows. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Thursday morning, BTC trades at $109,789. For much of the day, the coin traded sideways until it fell to the intraday low of $106,786. Quickly, however, it surged to the day's high of $110,162. Overall, BTC is down 1.3% in a week, 3.1% in a month, and 12.9% from its all-time high of $126,080 recorded 17 days ago. The price may now move above $113,500, followed by the $115,000 zone. Alternatively, if the market turns red, BTC may drop below $105,000 and move towards $100,000. Ethereum is currently changing hands at $3,875. Similar to BTC, ETH moved relatively sideways for the first part of the day before plunging to $3,726. However, it swiftly recovered to the intraday high of $3,889. Overall, ETH is down 4% in a week, 7.7% in a month, and 21.6% from its all-time high of $4,946 recorded 2 months ago. ETH could proceed to climb towards the $4,000 level, and potentially to $4,130. But if the market shifts, the price may decrease to $3,600 and further to $3,450. Ethereum, ETH, $3, 893.61-2.31% 24H730D1Y all-time. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment has been sitting firmly in the fear zone for a full week. The crypto fear and greed index moved slightly from 29 yesterday to 28 today. It's approaching the extreme fear territory. The current level signals rising apprehension among traders and investors. This can easily result in heightened volatility and panic selling. That said, it could also present a buying opportunity. ETFs go back to red. After a single day of inflows, the US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, returned to negative flows on Wednesday, with $101.29 million leaving the funds. Of the 12 ETFs, 2 recorded inflows and 4 saw outflows. At the top of the green list is BlackRock with $73.63 million, followed by Valkyrie's $2.14 million. The highest outflow is Grayscale's $56.63 million, but it's closely followed by Grayscale and ARK and 21 shares. Similarly, after 1 day of positive flows, the US ETH ETFs recorded $18.77 million in outflows on October 22nd. 1 of the 9 finds saw positive flows, and 3 saw negative flows. BlackRock took in $110.71 million, while Fidelity and Grayscale saw similar amounts leave, between $33 million and $47 million. Meanwhile, the 87-year-old global traditional asset management firm T. Rowe Price has filed its first crypto ETF, saying it plans to invest in a diversified basket of commodity crypto assets. Eric Balchunas, a senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, expressed semi-shock over this move. "Did not expect it, but I get it," he wrote. "There's gonna be land rush for this space too." Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has increased over the past day, and the stock market saw a drop during work hours on Wednesday. By the closing time on October 22nd, the S&P 500 was down by 0.53%, the Nasdaq 100 decreased by 0.99%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.71%. This happened as U.S.-China trade tensions resumed on Wednesday. Is this rally sustainable? This October is somewhat more volatile than previously expected. Additional drops are possible, but so are the increases. Analysts still expect to see a more significant rally in the near term. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 23, 2025. The crypto market is up today with the cryptocurrency market capitalization increasing by 1.3%, now standing at $3.8 trillion. 80 of the top 100 coins have appreciated over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $190 billion. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have seen their prices increase over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin BTC increased by 1.7% since this time yesterday. Currently, follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Ripple's $1 billion XRP Treasury sends social metrics soaring. According to Lunar Crush Metrics, Live XRP price developments. October 22nd. Japanese firm Gumi joins Ripple and SBI in Evernorth's XRP Treasury deal. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano. Ripple by the end of 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pepe by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Bullish options spike signals massive altcoin rotation from BTC/ETH to XRP and SOL. 3 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Blockchain news. Trump puts China on notice with 155% tariff threat amid Australia deal. Market crash by November? 1 day ago, by Hassan Shitu. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for October 22, 2025. Crypto market erases gains after rebound as U.S.-China trade tensions escalate. Bitcoin drops to $108,000. 1 day ago, by Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 6 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 15 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 8 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 7 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 3 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.